Hello, my name is Musaddiq Sajjad and this is my economic research project. I have chosen to show the economy today in recessionary gap. As you can see in the graph, aggregate demand is shifting left. As aggregate demand shifts left, as people stay at home, not purchasing as much, prices are going up as well. As we can see, and prices are going down. So as demand goes down and prices go down, that shows a recession itself. I have chosen to do 3 pieces of evidence. The first piece of evidence I have chosen to justify a recession is the interest rates. On the Fed database, it shows that the interest rates are now at 0%. With this being so low, people are going to want to borrow more money, especially in times like this. So this justifies a recession because the Fed is trying to put in more money into the economy to stabilize it. The second piece of evidence is the CPI numbers. On the Fed database, it shows a decrease. In February 2020, when COVID-19 just got started, the CPI number was 259.050. And in March 2020, it shows to be 257.953. This supports a recessionary gap because people are now staying at home and not purchasing as much goods and services. The stay-at-home order is affecting the CPI level. The last piece of evidence is the unemployment rate. As we all know, many are not working. In fact, 26 million Americans are out of work. According to the Fed database, the unemployment rate is 4.4%, which is ideal, but they have not released the numbers for April, which we expect to be at least 7%. High unemployment rates justify a recessionary gap because less is being produced and less money is being put into the economy. Step 2. The current event I have chosen is COVID-19. COVID-19 has impacted the consumers. The graph to the left shows the demand pull situation. As demand pulls for certain items, price is going to skyrocket. So, COVID-19 has affected the price of toilet paper, disinfectants, face masks, and gloves. Since demand is so high for these items, prices are going to rise. The determinant I have chosen to show is consumer expectations. As we expect COVID-19 to worsen, we expect demand to rise, shift right, and price to rise as well. Step 3. I believe the best tool is a fiscal policy. This best tool is government spending. The reasons why government spending is the best tool is because the more money that the government puts into the economy, the more the economy is stabilized. Since the government tool has an initial change of 100 billion and has the MPC of 0.75, the change is going to be 400 billion. Here's why. Using the MPC equation, since the MPC is 0.75, what you do is 1 minus 0.75 equals 0.25. Now you divide 1 divided by 0.25 equaling 4. 4 is what you multiply by your initial change of 100 billion. So getting that is going to be 400 billion. Now going to the graph to the right, we see a change of 400 billion increase of government spending. The initial equilibrium point is right here. As we increase by X plus 400 billion, we shift right. So aggregate demand shifts right. As we get closer to the long run aggregate supply line is where we need to be. So increasing by 400 billion gets us closer to the long run aggregate supply line. The tool I selected is the best for the government to use because this puts us in a place to have a healthy economy. If the government wants to stabilize the economy, then this is what they need to do. This is a correction because now people are at home and not buying anything. So no money is being put into the economy. So creating this fiscal policy will better the economy in times like this. Thank you.